Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome everybody, and welcome to this Nifty Analysis session wherein we will be discussing about the Nifty's price action. आप सभी लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि निफ्टी यहाँ से कहाँ जाने वाली है. आर वी रियली गोइंग टू हैव अ क्रैश और is there any way that nifty can find support and can go up from here? There are a lot of news which is going around, and a lot of people on the social media commenting about like nifty can crash and all that. So there is a kind of uncertainty in the market, and the way this environment is created is like everybody is on the crash side. So how to find out what is the reality? And the way to find out the reality is to go and look at the charts and try to understand that what charts are saying, and charts are trying to tell us about the next course of action in the market, so that whether you are a swing trader, you are an investor, or you are even an intraday trader, you can plan your trading, you can create your trading plan as per the main trend. So I'm your host and your trading coach, Kirti Agrawal, and today I'm going to tell you about where the market is headed using my pat framework, and with the help of pat framework and the price action. So basically the pat framework has three components: price action, the second is cpr, and the third is moving averages. So by the help of these three things, we will find out where nifty is headed. So this is the nifty's daily chart in front of all of you, and today is the live market. This video I'm recording in the live market, and if you see, we started falling from 26,277. So if you consider it from the top, nifty fallen almost, by now it has fallen around 8%. तो अगर आप बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स में देखिए तो लगभग 8% हुए हैं. And this red colored average which you're seeing over the chart, this red colored is the 200 period moving average. So last time also we came close to the 200, this time also we're coming almost close to the 200. So I think, see, if you just zoom in and if you look at the chart किस तरीके से price action है, let me, I hope, yes, here. So if you just look at it, this is the way nifty is fallen. Let me just click the ray. First fall was still here, right? First fall was still here. I will do some settings change. You can also follow the same steps. Do not extend it if you have to look at this. Or then there is a small pullback. इस pullback को हम dead cat bounce भी कहते हैं. This is a dead cat bounce, and then again it fallen till here, and this is like still continuing. So this is not ended, but this is still continuing. So the best way, so this is like there is a high, there is a low, there is a lower high and the lower low. So as per the Dow theory, जब भी प्राइस में हाई लो, लोअर हाई, लोअर लोज बनते हैं, it's a downtrend. It is setting up a downtrend. Now if I want to find out the next areas where it can find the support, first thing, as per the moving average, the target for this fall is almost here. So not exactly here, but almost around 420 to 500. So अभी 24,150, 24,150 पे ट्रेड कर रही है. इट कैन कम easily to 23,450 to about 400. So I think from the point where we are trading currently, nifty can even fall 600 to 700 points from this point of this price point. Now there is a very beautiful tool which we use as a price action trader a lot, that is the Fibonacci extension. So this is 1 2, and this is the dead cat bounce. So if you see, this is the level 23,629, and then lower side we have, so this is very lower. So at least if you just try to conclude both the things, so nifty major support level जो है, this major support is around uh, say 23,630. So let's keep it 650 to 23,450. So, as per my understanding of price action, the PAT framework, and the market and everything, Nifty right now, from the current market price, can go at least 500 to 700 points further down. So now that doesn't mean a crash. अगर आप देखिए, from the top we have fallen around 8%. If it comes around these levels, it would be around 10 to 11% to fall. Crash होता है after 20% fall, you announce it as really a crash. See, this is a cycle. If Nifty can go from like 7,511 low to 26,000, can't it fall from 26,000 to 23,000? It can, and still it is only about 10%. And then from that 10%, you can get again a rise back to the same highs sooner. So, see, corrections are also healthy. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर द राइट एंट्री पॉइंट्स वेर यू कुड हैव एंटर्ड at lower prices and you could have made lot of money, and but eventually you miss that. This is again the time when price is coming down to the 200 period moving average on a daily chart, where you can again make an entry and can make a lot of money from the market. So this is the complete analysis of the market. Now for you, I have two suggestions. If you are a long term trader or investor, wait for the 23,650 to 450 level, and there you again start adding to your portfolio, and then slowly continue to deploy money and build your portfolio again. If you're already long, since it is only 500 points, you can wait. If you want to protect your portfolio, you can create hedges by buying some puts. And if you want to short, and if you want to trade in options or futures, you can aim for the 500 to 700 points on the downside. So this is all about the Nifty's analysis. Let me know in the chat box how you found this analysis. If you found this useful, let me know what other kind of analysis you want me and how frequently you want me to do this, and I will try to do it for sure. Yeah, best wishes. Let me know if you need. I'll catch you all in the next video. Yeah.